Welcome to this video on SF6 circuit breakers, operation and maintenance. These breakers are essential for protecting the high-voltage grid. The primary threat is electrical plasma arcs, which occur during a system fault. Electricity jumps the gap, and the plasma can reach temperatures of up to 20,000 Kelvin. The solution is the SF6 circuit breaker, used for 52 kilovolts and above. Sulphur hexafluoride gas fills the chamber, extinguishing the arc. Arc extinction works in 3 steps. Cool the arc, capture the electrons, and push the gas. Step 1 is the thermal quench. The system releases gas at 16 kilograms per square centimeter. This pressurized gas blasts the arc, dropping the temperature below 2000 Kelvin, causing the plasma to collapse. Step 2 is electronegativity. SF6 is an electronegative gas. Its molecules absorb free electrons. These heavy negative ions create a dielectric wall, which prevents the arc from restarting. Step 3 utilizes the puffer principle. As mechanical contacts open, the motion compresses gas inside a cylinder. The cylinder then forces gas through a nozzle, allowing the breaker to generate its own pressure. The breaker anatomy includes the interrupting chamber for the gas blast, SF6 gas for insulation and interruption, insulators to prevent electrical leaks, and the operating mechanism to drive contacts at high speeds. Regular maintenance is crucial. These breakers handle extreme energy, and neglecting maintenance can lead to catastrophic failure. Gas management diagnostics include monitoring density to maintain dielectric strength, blocking moisture to prevent toxic hydrofluoric acid, and analyzing purity to detect sulfur dioxide decomposition. For mechanical health, test contact resistance in microohms to check for metal pitting. Perform timing tests to ensure a millisecond mechanical response, and grease moving linkages to prevent jams. Decomposed gas safety protocol is vital. Arc byproducts form a toxic white powder. Technicians must wear full specialized PPE and use certified filtration vacuums. Never vent decomposed gas. SF6 is a potent greenhouse gas, far exceeding carbon dioxide in warming potential. You must practice closed-loop gas handling to achieve zero emissions during service. This is the balance of power. The breaker provides unmatched grid protection, but the system requires absolute operational discipline. The SF6 breaker is the frontline defender that stops the arc. Your diligent maintenance ensures this defense. Remember, the grid depends on you.